Welcome to the Circuit News. I'm your host, Omar Lewis. Yesterday was World Water Day and engineers are back in the news again. For the first time in U.S. history, President Biden has proposed national limits on PFAS, or so-called forever chemicals in our drinking water. The chemicals have been linked to kidney, prostate, and ovarian cancers, but engineers are fighting back. A collaboration between the University of Buffalo and the University of Southern California is turning to a tiny ally in the war on chemicals.
What makes these compounds so persistent in the environment and why we give them this name of forever chemicals is because the covalent bond between carbon and fluorine is the strongest of any bond in nature. So we're hoping to take advantage of microorganisms that are basically doing work for us for free and in a pretty sustainable way too.
A UC Irvine engineer is breaking a Guinness World Record using a drone and an internet connection. Under the direction of Peter Burke, a drone in Irvine, California was remotely operated by a pilot 11,000 miles away on a French island in the Indian Ocean. This new technology can be used in a variety of applications, from rescue missions and railway safety inspections to water, forest, and land surveying. This week kicks off the National Society of Black Engineers 49th convention, and we'd like to highlight a hero engineer. In 1916, the Cleveland police were in a panic. 8 men were trapped in a tunnel underneath Lake Erie with an exploding gas pocket. So who did they call? It wasn't Batman, it was Garrett Morgan, a local self-taught engineer. He donned his recently invented gas mask and dragged the 8 men to safety. Due to the racism of the time, however, all of the national news stories failed to mention Morgan. If that's not enough, Morgan has also saved countless lives by perfecting the 3-color traffic lights we all know today. It's National Puppy Day, and have you ever wondered what happens when engineers own dogs? Thank you for joining us on the Circuit News. Don't forget to like this video and follow us at Circuit News TV.